everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating for y'all on how I take my gel nails off at home. One of my girlfriends taught me this trick and literally it has saved me so many times of taking my gel nails off at home. And of course you only need a couple of products that you have at your house. Alright, a couple of products that I use to help take my gel nails off at home. Of course I use a Ziploc bag, a cotton square or cotton ball, pure acetone, and of course a little container to put my hands in, and of course lukewarm water, and then of course I got a cuticle pusher. So these are the products I use to take off my gel nails, so let's get into it. Alright, first off, of course I got some cotton squares. I don't have cotton balls, so what I'm going to do is cut this into little tiny squares so I can put into my Ziploc bag. Alright, so now I got them into little squares. Next up, you're going to get your Ziploc bag and of course put your cotton balls or cotton squares in there. Pour a decent amount of acetone into your Ziploc bag, so whenever you stick your hand in there, you can massage the cotton balls or cotton squares onto your gel nail polish to remove your gel nail polish into the lukewarm water. So this is what you're going to do. Is stick your hand into the lukewarm water within the Ziploc bag. Of course, I close mine up. And you're going to actually use those cotton balls, or of course cotton squares, and you're going to massage your gel nail polish off. So of course I'm going to stick it in there, and I'm going to grab one of those cotton squares and just sort of massage my gel nail polish off with my other fingers, so I'm taking off my gel nail polish. Alright, and just to clarify, when I say massaging, pretend that this is your cotton square and I'm going like this into the cotton squares with the acetone to help remove my gel nail polish. Alright, I just took my hand out of the Ziploc bag and of course, as you can tell, I started removing my gel nail polish. Next, I'm going to grab this tool to take off my gel nail polish. Alright, so that's how I took off my gel nail polish at home. Of course, very fast and easy. I like doing it this way versus the old-fashioned way where you would get a cotton ball, pure acetone, of course, wrap your fingers in aluminum foil. That was just too time consuming for me, and of course, I'm just working by myself. This is just way easier. I can just throw my hand in the Ziploc bag, have that lukewarm water heat up the pure acetone, and I'm good to go. Of course, with gel nail polish, you gotta follow your nails and start fresh. So I hope this will help y'all taking off your gel nail polish at home. Until next time, bye guys.